is William.
And I'm James.
And we are the Nature Boys. And today we are going to be talking about green iguanas.
There's one right here on the dock.
As you can see, there's a big green iguana right behind me. And they're overpopulating Florida, but they can live in Florida environment. And they're becoming a nuisance to Florida. A nuisance is like when this certain animal from a different country came to America or a different country. It just means that an animal came from a different country to the next, and they're breeding. And if they breed a lot, they become a nuisance. And he has his tail right there, hanging off the dock because he's wondering what I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna catch him because look at those sharp talons. Well, not talons, claws. And he's ready to tail it. It hurts really, really bad. It can put you in the hospital. It can break bones. And if this one tails with me, I'm probably gonna be in the hospital with a broken bone. I'm not gonna take that chance. They also have a powerful bite force. And they can swim very, very, very well. Especially in like an open area, an open body of water. But out here in the middle, he can swim all he wants. At a certain time, they have to come up for air, and then they can go back down and do whatever they want. Or they can come up on a dock or a bridge or a little plank and bask. And iguanas, they can climb trees really well. And they're super camouflaged, especially in the trees and in the tall grass. But he was bobbing his head earlier, and that meant I was a little too close. And that one's a male. You can tell it's a male by the thing hanging down, the orange beard hanging down. And he doesn't look like he's green, but he doesn't look like he's green, but it's actually the type of iguana. And this one was on here yesterday, and like a super bright green one was right where it is right now. And in the springtime, they change colors. You sure?
Yeah.
You sure he's not gonna tail with me?
No.
See? He's backing up. Gonna go in the water. If you land, he won't. scary. Because he's not moving. I don't know what to do.
Do you want me to do it, Lamb?
I'm as close as I can get.
Do you want me to do it, Lamb?